In today's video, I will walk you through how to change background and customize MT5 chart. First, choose the chart that you want to customize. If you have several charts open, click the one you want to work with, so it becomes the active chart. If you don't have a chart open yet, add one by selecting the symbol you want. If you have multiple charts, you can also arrange them using the chart arrangement option, so they're easier to view before you start customizing. Once you've selected the chart, right-click anywhere on it and scroll down to Properties. This is where you'll find the chart customization options. Inside the Properties window, you'll be able to change different colors and adjust the overall appearance of your chart. Start by changing the background color. Click the background option and choose the color you prefer. You can try different colors until you find one that's comfortable to look at. Next, remove the chart grid. Close the Properties window for a moment, right-click on the chart again, and click Grid to turn it off. This removes the grid lines from the chart. After that, right-click the chart once more and return to Properties so you can continue making the rest of your changes. Now begin adjusting the remaining chart colors. Change the bar up color to blue. Leave the grid turned off since you've already removed it. Next, change the foreground color. This controls the color of the prices and the dates displayed on the chart. Choose the color you prefer for that. After that, change the bar down color to red, then change the bear candle color to red as well. Finally, change the bull candle color to blue. As you make these changes, you'll see the chart update with the new appearance. If you're still not satisfied with how the chart looks, you can continue adjusting the background and foreground colors until you find a combination that works best for you. Simply select a different color and check how it looks on the chart. Once you're happy with your customized chart, you can save it as a template so you don't have to repeat these changes every time. Right-click on the chart, move to Templates, and select Save Template. Enter any name that you'll remember and save it. Whenever you want to apply the same appearance to another chart, select that chart, right-click on it, go to Templates, choose Load Template, and select the template you just saved. Your saved chart colors and settings will be applied instantly, making it easy to keep all of your charts looking the same. That's all there is to customizing and saving your MT5 chart. Thank you for watching.